Welcome to our introduction to the DCKAP Integrator's Loop tool. In this video, we will explore the Loop tool, how it works, and where it can be used in the workflows. The purpose of the Loop tool is to execute a block of code a specified number of times or over a given range of values. That's why you add a Loop tool to your workflow. As you can see, this is where we can provide the data that needs to be iterated. Here is the option called Batch Processing, where we can simply select yes or no. Batch processing allows processing a group of records in batches, rather than one by one. If you select yes, you can specify the batch size here. The batch size indicates the number of records processed at once. If you choose no, each piece of data will be processed individually. We have an example available here. This shows the inventory sync from the P21 ERP system to update the product inventory in BigCommerce. We have received the responses from P21 and need to loop through all the data from P21. As shown here, we have provided the responses and are processing each record one by one. We will process each record according to specific conditions and criteria. That's how the Loop tool functions. Thank you. Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.